Here's how to get into the 2026 Street Wheelers Classic Car Controlled Cruise without getting turned away. First, go online. Then you can register. That's open, now. Link in description. Fill out your info, upload a photo of your car, and buy your slot. As it is in life sometimes, no news is good news. So after you enter, if you hear from us, you got some work to do. On cruise day, head over to the South Lot at Exhibition Lethbridge, right here, between noon and 6. This part is new. Now, bear with me. Come in from Parkside Drive on the south side. Follow the direction of the Street Wheelers members in their bright orange shirts directing traffic. Have your ticket ready on your phone or print it. A member will then scan it and give you your cruise sticker. Once you have your cruise sticker, head over to our primary entry point coming from the west end of 1st Avenue South onto 5th Street South. Enter from the west side only. Only if you're pre-registered and running a little bit behind, do check out our secondary entry point going north on 18th Street South. Don't show up too early, this is no Black Friday sale. Show up no earlier than 6:45 p.m. Missed getting your entry sticker? Head over to our primary entry point. Here, there's a lane to scan your digital or printed ticket there. Follow the directions, follow the law, and be respectful. Otherwise, you're out. So join us for the Classic Car Controlled Cruise on July 10th, 2026. Brought to you by Davis Buick GMC. Now, you know exactly what to do. We'll see you on the streets.